Well, hello. It's Wednesday, which means it's programming day, which I know is extremely exciting. And I have my music on the wrong audio device. 1 second. There we go. Now I can actually use my knob to control it. So, funny story. Hang on, let me pull this up off screen real fast. So I was going throughout my day the other day, and I got a notification from GitHub. And someone was asking if I could update my mod to 1.16. Now, as luck would have it, I had already started doing that about a year ago, but then I gave up. So I figured it would be a smart idea to figure out what's wrong. So I did a little bit of running this in advance, and the log disappeared for that, so I guess I'm gonna have to do that again. Yep, I'm gonna have to do that again. That's okay. So the main issue I ran into was an issue where the data generator would fail to generate anything. And don't get me wrong, it still says build failed with an exception, but at least it generates something now. So it works kind of ish. The other issue I found is that it only has one block textured correctly. I guess Minecraft will pop up on the main monitor for a bit. That's fun. Hang on. Hey, look, it's Minecraft. Okay, single player testing world. Here we go. Yeah. Because don't get me wrong, I would love to update this mod. Okay, so first off, item names, definitely not a thing. We'll need to fix that. And also, these are not modeled correctly. Actually, let me make that bigger. These are definitely missing their model. This is missing its icon. But this one block is just fine. And I have no idea why. But what's important is that this block has the same general model as these other ones. It's just the texture being different. Now, the item on the other hand, we'll have to figure that one out. But ooh. Alright, and then we can get to the other issues. That seems nice. Oh, what's happening here? It's not working. Let me check the log. Oh, that's an error right there. So it's not making the tile entity when placing down the block. Does it work? Oh, that's good to know. It's only the item version of these blocks that are broken. Ow, frame rate. This one is missing its item as well, I'm guessing. Let me just... Yep, our named container provider is missing. I'm not realizing I should have a mod that actually generates power in here other than my own, but that's fine. I can figure that out later. Important part is we've got bugs to fix. Let's start with the first one. Why is this not getting... Okay, our issue is, if I click the link here, our named container provider is missing, which occurs only if tile entity. Okay. Let's compare it to where's the ender generator? So the tile entity is either null or it is not an instance of ender generator. So that's generally not good. Just for testing purposes, let's throw a reference to tile entity there and give Minecraft another run. While that loads, let's take a look at some of the model data. Interesting. There's only one for the ender generator, none of the others. At some point I should probably look through this log a little bit further. But what's more important right now is getting... I'd like to get the mod functioning first, and then we can deal with stuff like textures being weird. What's interesting I've noticed is when loading from just the world being saved, it seems to work fine. It's just when placing it down that nothing works. Let's see, what do we get? Do we get a null? Okay. Well, that is excellent news. That means it's not null. So that just means that something weird is happening. Apparently not an ender generator. Wait. What am I doing? First off, close out of Minecraft. Okay. Wait, I think I might have figured this out. So that's all that. Ah, I figured that bug out. It's me being a dum-dum. I don't need to create... I'm creating a generic generator here when I need specifically to be creating one of these. And I imagine the same thing is occurring. I think it's blocks advanced, and would you look at that? And is it happening on any of the other ones? Let's see. Oh, this is terrible code, but so that should fix that issue. I mean, this is referenced literally nowhere. I'm curious. Oh. That's why it works on a world load. Got it. Okay, I should make that be consistent because that's kind of important to be consistent. That's block manager, that's all good. Yeah, that should probably be consistent. That would help. And for whatever reason, only one item was made. Let's go to items. You know, maybe doing that more than once would be a smart idea. Ender generator, advanced generator, item, ender storage item and advanced ender storage item. Let me just double check my file names for the textures. Advanced ender generator. Ender storage. Advanced ender storage. And then I'm going to run a data generator over here off stream real fast. Real exciting stuff, I know. And that should give me the missing items that I have. And let me move some files around off screen. Don't need to leak everything all at once. That probably wouldn't be smart. Let's see. And then again, we have the work but failed. Awesome. That's fine. Exponential power. Just doing stuff off stream, don't mind me. Source main resources. Paste. Replace. There we go. Now if we look, those files have popped up, which means they'll have textures now. But why don't you have a texture? I can figure that out later. Let's give this another run and start it up. Wait for Minecraft to start loading. There it is. I'm curious. It still should have the... Oh, not important right now. More importantly, Minecraft. Did not mean to go credits. Whoops. To dev world. And would you look at that? They have no name still, but the blocks have texture. Beautiful, amazing. Now what I want to see is I want to right click on this. Yes, good. Nice. Amazing. Now, more importantly, I have 64 of this amazing nothing. I like. This is what I'm hoping for. Yes, yes. Let's just, you know, throw a couple in there. And now what I want to see is I want to be able to go like this. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Let me give myself a pickaxe. Okay. And then we'll go like this. Cool. And then I sit here and just grab one of these and one of these. Interesting. That's something I may need to figure out a little bit later. What's more important right now is it's kind of working. And this one's still... Ah, yes. Let's see, I need to actually check something real fast because I would like to know this information. What was netherite? When was netherite added to the game? I need to know this. At 116. Yeah, I think it's time to rebalance some of the prices of these items. Because that'd be a lot of energy. But the basics are working. Things actually, let's make... I just want a notepad. Notepad will do great. Oh, by notepad. Things to fix. Language file. I mean, that's probably already number 2. After ender cell texture, rebalance recipes. Yes, I can spell. I think the models are fine. They get the job done. And then things to look at to storage next to each other. 1 full, 1 empty. Expected behavior. Because I don't mind one being empty and one being full. Why is this inconsistent? I don't like that being inconsistent. Oh. It's sending it back and forth. That's actually what I kind of expected it to do. And this would just kind of end up... Okay, okay. These are generally working. Now let's see. Creative tab works. Well, I looked at that as an example. I think the texture will fix this icon here because it's the same icon. And yeah, then probably balance some recipes a little bit. Because at least this one, maybe even this one, should probably be having some netherite added to it. Because for having watched a lot of Vault Hunters, which is a very cool series that's usually streamed on Twitch, infinite power is very powerful. I should say actually infinite risk-free power is very powerful. I may add, let me what are the recipes right now? I could look it up in the code, but that doesn't look visually interesting, so I'm going to grab not enough items. Minecraft mods. Or sorry, just enough items. Minecraft 1.16 files. Download. This file is safe. Don't worry, computer. I downloaded it from a trusted source. And then I just pop it in the mods folder. I should also check. I'm gonna check my GitHub ignore list or git ignore. 1 second, gotta do that a little bit off stream. Documents, GitHub. Did I remember to exclude my run directory? I really hope so. There's definitely some stuff that doesn't need to be in here though. Anyway, we can just look in where is it? Where is it? Generated resources under data. We have recipes for all the items. So Endicell is currently diamond block, emerald block, diamond block, and then enderite in the middle. I might swap out the emerald block because that's not represented. I doubt it's represented in the texture. Did I even bother? Yeah. Oh, it's the Eye of Ender color. I could put netherite in the top. That might be smart. Because I want these to start out expensive, but get easier over time. Anyway, the generators, what are they? This one being made of 4 generators, I approve. And burning an ender cell in the middle, that's not part of it. I agree with this. Like, this is fine. What is the ender generator itself? That is so cheap. That definitely needs to be changed. What I might do, let's see, what does our icon look like, you know, for ender generator? Okay, so vague, boring, got it. What I might do is make it so you don't have to spend a netherite block, but 4 netherite for a ender generator. Probably, yeah, replace the iron blocks with netherite. Sounds about right. Okay, let's go to my favorite data generators. And let's make those recipe tweaks. So for the ender generator, I like the obsidian. And I like the cell. But I feel like I'm gonna make these lowercase n's. Items. netherite ingot. And that's still an ender cell. Yeah, that looks about right. So that'd be about 4 netherite ingots for an ender generator, which gets you a lot of power. And then, oh yeah, I'm gonna change this to be more netherite. I will make, actually, smart idea. I'm gonna do something crazy. Okay, first off, N is for netherite ingot. Items dot netherite ingot. And P. Items. No. Blocks. Dot. What do you do for? Okay, you can just provide the block. Dark prismarine. To kind of go in line with the icon of the undercell, there's this there's dark blue section on top. That kind of reminds me of dark prismarine. And that, I feel like, would be expensive enough to be... I should check. What is the tag to make it not burn? I am going to add the is immune to fire to ender cells. Actually, to any item that has is immune to fire, because that requires netherite. Oh. Ender storage. What's the recipe for that right now? I may need a little bit of netherite for that. Diamond blocks obsidian. What's the difference between I want to see the ender generator recipe and the ender storage recipe. And what's the... Okay. I actually think this recipe is pretty okay. I might add a tiny bit of prismarine, because dark prismarine. Okay, actually I need to add it over here. If I look at the where is it? Ender storage PNG. I could probably add some prismarine. Dark prismarine. Dot key. P. Blocks. Dot dark prismarine. And then I'm going to make my scheme consistent. Capitals represent blocks, lowercase represents items. Diamond blocks surrounding with ender generators, that all seems absolutely fine, because you're already paying the netherite to get each of those generators. So you're paying over a block of netherite for one advanced ender generator. And then for storage, it's the same thing, but with storage instead of generators. That sounds right, fine. You are already paying with dark prismarine and diamond blocks and stuff. And storage, while important, isn't as useful as a generator. Don't get me wrong, storing large amounts of energy is sometimes difficult to do safely, and this is a great way to do it. Or relatively cheap, like extremely cheap, but I'd rather the storage be cheap, because I know with this mod you just generate way more energy than you ever need per tick when you get up to the crazier levels. Hopefully this slows down the progression just a little bit, but it means that if you have, like, for example, one of those miners from like Mechanism that just mines everything for you immediately, it will be easy. It's just getting up that initial slope and getting it set up. So that should be that. Yeah, that's good. I've touched this. That's good. Touch this. And I've already touched this one. I don't want to go full netherite blocks because that's just annoying. You can mine for netherite ingots relatively quickly, especially in modded Minecraft. Even if you're just in vanilla Minecraft, it's a lot of work for your first couple, but if you're doing something modded, which I assume that you would be if with this mod, you'd have something that you could use that power. Now, thinking on it, by default, it starts off with like 1, then 2 RF per tick. That is going to be a lot of netherite. I might cut it in half. I'll cut it in half. I'll cut netherite costs in half. Well, make the other parts diamond blocks. The blocks, diamond block. Yeah. Enough to be a hurdle, but not enough to just get absolutely murdered. And you can sink a lot into this, and then it will give more as you do more. We'll play test it eventually. And by that I mean I will probably get comments about it. I mean, for some reason it has like, how many downloads does this mod have? Yeah, like 26,000 downloads, which I still to this day do not know where they came from, but I'm fine with it. Let's see, earning the Ender Eye gives you the recipe for it. Yep. Because I want the Ender Eye part to be the core thing that unlocks it. Okay, now is there like a language data thing? Providers. I'd like to see all of the providers. Usage in extends implements. Block state model. Language provider. There we are. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Data. New class. Data lang. Extends language provider. It extends, right? Yes. And then it's gonna complain. I'm gonna be like, yes. Perfect. Amazing. So, I pull up the language file that I had. I might have deleted it. Like, pull it up via Git. GitHub. Tell me what I need to know. Exponential power. Source main, resources, assets. Exponential power, lang, in US lang. Fine, close enough. There we are. Let's go like this. Yeah. There you are. Okay. Where are my words? Did I smack a key somewhere? Why can I no longer type? What have I done? Help. Done something. I've deleted my cursor. This is unfortunate. Let me restart IntelliJ then. But having that language provider means that the file will automatically be generated, which means I don't have to worry about getting the formatting right anymore. My cursor is back. Yay. Alright, I'll just pull up this file on my other monitor that you cannot see. So, add item. Registration dot undercell. Undercell. And then okay, so if I add a block, registration dot block, wait, God, let's go with Ender generator. Ender generator. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, okay, cool. So I will need to add the items separately. I'm imagining. Anyway. Start that. Advanced Ender generator. Advanced Ender generator. Ender storage. Ender storage. Storage. Advanced Ender storage. Okay, those are the blocks. I still need to add item group dot exponential power What about this? Okay, that doesn't match. Got it. Alright, fine. I'll just kind of... I'm gonna look deeper into here and see what we have. Add block. Add item stack. Add effect. Alright. I see. If I look in here, I should see, is there a better way to do things I'm doing? Alright. Okay. So what is the exact one I use? On block activated. Wait. What? That's from abstract block. Got it. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna make it work because it seems to be working fine for now. It's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna need to run that data again. First off, delete random stuff I left behind. Step 2, actually use data link in the data generators. A data link comes from a language provider, which is it seems to be fine. I'm gonna call it client side. Provider, new data link. Data provider. Is this? We need generator. EN US. Let's see if I got that locale right. If that's supposed to be a string literal, and that's not what it's looking for. Oh, mod ID. Mod ID is pretty self-explanatory. It's gonna be .mod ID. No need to pass that through. And then that. Happy? Yay. Let's watch this run. Wow. Look at that text go. Oh boy. It failed. Let me read this quickly off stream. Make sure I'm not leaking. I broke something real bad. Ah. Please don't try to run JAI right now. Just like disabled. Please don't. I don't need to compile a language for JAI. Man, look at that go real fast. Wow. And it finished. I say that it's still running, but it's fine. Let me pop that up off stream. And I copy this over. Wait, source generated. I don't want to see where this is saved. Resources. Assets, lang, en, us, and JSON. Would you look at that? Hopefully it works. Anyway, let's take the generated resources and copy them into the real resources. And also, I need to delete this poor attempt at doing the exact same thing, because we have a much superior way of doing it. And replace files. Oh, would you look at that? It's so much better. It looks exactly the same, but that's fine. Let's launch Minecraft. Meantime, I guess I'll just like play with the little avatar thingy. Get thrown across the screen. Anyway, Minecraft's almost loaded. Look, Minecraft. So I don't expect the actual UI to have its name set correctly, but it's possible. Look at that. We got names for everything. What about for you? Okay. That's fine. If I can grab an anvil, I'm curious. Boop. I really did not need that many, but test. Alright, that's fine. Didn't expect too much craziness. So I need to add that title. I need to add a title for you. I need to fix current energy. I need to fix where this is. I also need to figure out something about... Let me mess around with the scale of the UI. If I rescale my UI to be something different, let's go with 2. Okay, so that actually seems to be working pretty okay. I either need to get rid of the word inventory, which I rather not do, or move that up. I should be able to move that up, or move it to the side or something. I need to fix. Oh. Interesting. Hovering over items doesn't actually give you the name. Yeah, that's fine. I'll note it down though. And my notepad. Okay. Priority 1. That. Should be done. Language file. We just need to add screen titles. And that is specifically, if I remember correctly, screen dot exponential power dot title dot regular and screen dot exponential power dot title slash advanced. Yes. All right. So data laying. Add screen dot exponential power dot title dot regular. Yes, that is how you spell regular. What if I just use the block translation? I don't need to do anything. Why would I need to do get out of here, Minecraft? That simplifies things. Oh. How in the world is this working? This isn't used anywhere, is it? Do we have containers? That's server-side stuff. I think it's in the block itself, right? And this has the... I have get title here. It's not used anywhere, right? Nope. Literally nowhere. I should be using it literally right here. This is literally the point of using it. Cast. And this gives me a translation text component. Got it. And if I were to do the same thing in Ender Generator. Wow. That'll make titles work, I think. That's surprising. Alright. Important step to figure out. Why can I not see this? Play the fun game of look up a tutorial on the internet. Not leaking anything too bad, right? No, hopefully not. Data generation. Data generators. Do we have items? Yes. This is what I'm looking for. Alright, so if I go to data generators and data items, single texture, and I just add a after item handheld, I'm seeing layer 0, another comma. Well, let's run some data calculations. Give me the data generator. Look at all that data. And finished. If I head up to the generated section, and I go here and I look at here and I go here, let's compare. Texture and layer 0. So I don't feel like copying all of this over for one test, so I'm just gonna change that one line. That should match now, right? Perfectly. Awesome. Just a simple one little change. Not worth it. Alright. So let's check the to-do list. Okay, we're gonna look for if the language is correct and if the texture is correct. Then I'm gonna throw this into, I'm gonna download a couple mods and build like a quote-unquote mod pack of a couple mods and make sure that it works with them. Okay. I'm liking the fact that if I adjust the scale so we can actually see something. Oh, we need to fix text UI color. That is critically important. But I'm holding an ender cell. If I look in here, I have ender cells. And if I look in here, I have ender cells. And they all have names. And this has a name of test. It saved the name. This has that name, and this has that name. That's something I want to find out. F3Q. I think it's F3, F4. Got it. I would like this to be named test. It is not named test. Honestly, that is like the tiniest of these. Oh, there's new Destiny 2 Switch loot. I'll have to grab that at some point. Oh, in Minecraft, please just, just stop. The music's great, but I don't need it. Okay. That's good. That's good. Just need to fix text color. Time to pull up a tutorial. Hey, random tutorial. I would like you talk about UI here. Please say you talk about UI in here. Oh no. Am I missing a thing in my... I think it's actually in GUI. Does that show up in here anywhere? Why are you upset? What? Oh. Okay, so I need a font. Where's font used? String. I'd like to see what you're called. Drawstring. Color. What do you do? So, wait. This is in font renderer. Line 65. I believe it is container screen. No. Let's make these go away. Both calls. Can't I just where'd my container screen go? Where'd it go? There it is. Can I do this? GUI left plus 5. GUI top plus 60. An integer color. You know what? Smart idea of the day. Search it up on the internet. Note to self, clicking on a browser window in OBS does nothing. I wonder if it's a color code. If it's literally like... maybe. Let's try, for funsies, this. Unless I can just do color dot. Is that an integer? I don't know. Okay. Can I see where the colors are? Hmm. Where do colors come from? I need to figure out where you're used. Oh, there. There we are. Okay. This is making a little more sense now. Okay. So. For my thing, I need text formatting dot dark no yes dark gray dot get color. Stick with it because I know that it is a color. Hopefully this works. I'll just copy this whole line. I really hope this works. Run the client. Meantime, I'll claim that Destiny 2. Blue. Yeah, critical stuff to do. Wow, cool stuff. Hey, look, it's Minecraft. All right. Okay, what color is it? Okay, okay, it's really close. It might actually need to be that dark gray. Also, yay, the hovering now works. Alright. So I just need to bump it up a couple pixels. We should be good. So, oh. It's not the right color. Interesting. I'll be honest, I really don't mind the color. Let's... Nope. Now it's time for the repetitive process of making this work. Hey, like Minecraft. Single player dev world. Here we go. Oh, that is so close. I would like to call that a clutch save. Okay. I'm gonna move that up a tiny bit more. This may even be too far. While that loads, one other thing I might want to do is break this out into a translatable component. Just so it's translatable. If that makes sense. And here's Minecraft. Oh, Minecraft, where'd you go? Come back, Minecraft. Whoops. Let's try that again. For whatever reason, Minecraft disappeared. Minecraft being Minecraft, I guess. There we are. Yep. As I suspected, it's a tiny, tiny bit too far. So let's go with 3 more pixels down. And we'll try again. Wait for Minecraft to start launching. I think it's Minecraft. Please work. This would be great if it worked. Perfect. This works even if I go absolutely crazy on UI scale, right? Yay. Cool. And the advanced generator still supports all of its, yep, shenanigans. All right. Now, one other thing I'd like to do is get a crafting table and verify the crafting recipes are working. I realized I do not have JAI installed. Interesting. Oh. I need one of you. Is dark prismarine the right color? Let's see. Is there some water I can dunk myself in? I would like all my recipes, please. Thank you. Where's my crafting table? Dark prismarine shards around a black dye. Yeah, that would be the right balance of requires effort to get. You have to for these you'll have to have raided a ocean monument and gone to the Nether for an ender cell. I don't really mind that they're all together. It's fine. But yeah, the Ender Cell having we've gone to at least 2 of the 3 dimensions, and then this one you'd probably spend it on getting to the end first. Yeah, that should be. All right, looking good so far. I think it's time we do something a little crazy. I'm going to first, I'm going to try and see if the version number needs to be changed, because that's something critical to not forget. Version 2. Sure. Sounds great. Last version was 141. I'm just gonna does this picture even work? I can't remember. Probably because that's not secure. That wouldn't make a difference. Picture should work. That'll probably fix the picture. Let's rewrite that, much simpler. Okay. 1.16. What version are we using? We're currently using version 1.16.4, right? Yes, 1.16.4. Boop. Don't really care about Tesla or anything else like that. 2.0.0. See. github.com/mosadie/exponential power releases tag v 2.0.0. Okay, I'm going to run a Gradle build over in this command prompt. Gradle w.bat up. Build successful. Nice. Now I'm going to fire up my multi-MC instance, which loves to freak out when I take it across here. Let's create a new instance. And we're going to call it Power Testing. This is going to be on 1.16.4. And let's edit the instance with these massively weirdly sized windows. Install Forge, and we're going to go with 35.1.4. That's the recommended version. Nice. Loader mods. Add. Pull that off screen for a second while I navigate. Build. Libs. Mod added. Nice. Then I'm going to hop over here. I have a JEI also to add. My gosh, I'm going to leak everything every single time. Great. And then I'm also going to add mechanism. It supports 116.5. Sounds great. Wait for it to finish downloading. In the meantime, link all my personal information. Mechanism. As just an example of something that I can use and interact with it. Let's launch the instance. I'll drag this off screen because it's boring and has personal information in it. Because it's the log file. Meantime, you guys can stare at a blank screen for a couple seconds. Rip. 1 second. I can fix this. Smart idea of the day. Use the correct version of mechanism. Keep. Let's see, will this pop up on the other monitor again? No, it won't. Nice. Okay, let's launch this again. You can't see it because I'm hiding the screen. Don't worry, I'll have it over in a second. Look, it's Minecraft. Uh, 35, 1, 11. Okay, I can... That is a changeable thing. Boop. Boop. Time for the awkward staring at nothing. Hmm. Seems to be missing some libraries. Spain. Hang on. I'm gonna keep clicking on OBS and then I'm just gonna delete the instance. Let's try this again, just, ExpPower testing. Mod dev in 1.16.4. I'm gonna edit the instance. Pop this window back over. Install Forge. Hey, look, we're just gonna, click the right one first. Apparently. It matters. View folder. Hey, look, they've arrived. Let's try launching that again. And pull that off the window so you guys can't see everything about me. Okay. I'm just gonna assume that installing a new version of Forge will fix it. Let's go with the latest one. This is not working. Oh well, this is why we have backup solutions. If one launcher won't work, pull out the second launcher. Hey look, GD launcher. Add new Forge 116.4 35111 ExpPower testing. Wow, look at that. And then while it's doing that, I can just pop open a folder here and leak everything again. Okay, there we go. I've copied the mods over while that finishes up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now I just keep waiting. You guys can stare at this. I'm gonna go look at stuff in the background. Why is it still at 0%? That is still at 0%. My gosh. That is still rocking a solid 0%. Alright, I guess that's not going to work, and that's not going to work, so we will rock the original Minecraft launcher. Otherwise, yes, and I understand this, yes. It's not the original, it's actually the new one that they just released, but it works. Hopefully, please work. Please just work. I am running out of options. I literally downloaded the installer directly. I barely do that anymore. No, please don't freeze. I'll threaten the life of this virtual avatar with a bomb. Okay, you're finalizing. I still want to drop it over here just for funsies. I don't get to do it too often. And yeet. As long as Minecraft doesn't have to crash and I don't have to view the logs, this will go great. Please don't make me have to view the logs. Okay. It's looking like Minecraft. Nope. Nope. Let's adjust some video scale stuff real quick. I'm speedrunning this. I'd like it to go quicker. I'm almost there. I'm almost ready to hit that go button. Okay. Well, I want to see. JEI. Yes, good. My favorite. Spain. Why are they not there? What nonsense is this? Okay. So we need a version 2 of our notepad. Things that break on export. Language. I really hope that's it. I hope that's nothing else that breaks. All right. And then I want a mechanism thing. I want. What do I have that can? Let's go with Ultimate Smelting Factory. Cheat mode. Okay, you have no power. I put you down. I take this and I go like this. Go like this. There is power. Cool. I put this down. There is power. Cool. I put this down. Good. I put this down and just absolutely go crazy. Nice. Okay. Will this act as terrible wire? Yes, it will. Okay. Energy stored, energy stored. Okay. And this still has. Okay. So all the names, all the IDs are correct. It's just that the names, they aren't there. Which is odd to say the least. So, it's time for my favorite game. Thankfully, only it's a visual bug. That makes me happy. Let's play a fun game called Open With. We're 7-zip Open Archive. Let's see. Assets. Like, what is in here? Excuse me, what? No. You have... Okay. What I should do... I'm going to compare it to a known good mod. It's lowercase. Does that make that much of a difference? Let's find out. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Just gonna be honest. Where are you? Data generators, EN US. If that makes all the difference, I will be sad, but understanding. Actually, I can just refactor, rename EN US. Okay. I know I'm doing a bunch of stuff off screen, but I don't want to leak all of my things immediately. Don't need to. Build libs. And I can't remember where I put it. I think it's here. Or might have been here. It's probably here. Either way, I'm doing both. And then I need to also relaunch the Minecraft launcher. Pain. Spain. Okay, settings. Also, don't go away. There you go. I don't want you going away anymore. Thank you. Cool. Hey, look, Minecraft. We are so close. See if I check my to-do list. We have that is done, which finishes that section. It works well enough. So that text file is totally done. That to-do list is done. We have this. This is the last thing to check. I'm going to go into this world, and I would like the language file to work, because that would be hilarious. Okay. Yep. Cool. It just works. And then exponential. Okay, cool. Those all show up. Nice. Let's see. The one more change I wanted to make was making it so this current energy stored part and this current energy stored part were translatable. Other than that, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that's everything. Let me just figure out if that's a doable thing. First off, delete you. Translatable text component. Can I... What's public that I can use in here? Something like... I ate... Wait. Stop for a second. I ate... Okay. I1AN. Screen dot exponential power dot generator. Let's call it generator. Generator rate. And then I'll end up in data lang. Add screen dot exponential power dot generator rate. Oops, it auto formatted that. Okay, fine. And screen dot exponential power dot storage. So we'll call that message. No screen. I think, if I remember right, right clicking on a enter storage block gives you this. All right, I can actually do formatting here. Right? Format string. I'll be lazy and find it. I guess it probably automatically put it in the link file. Would you look at that? Alright, so did it for the container, which means it counts for both. Got it. I should just do a string format for this. Yeah. Okay, this is double. 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 Nice. Don't mind me in the background looking up Java string format. Alright. Okay, let's throw this into data link. Stored is going to be a percent G out of percent G RF. And then there's going to be percent F That should be fine, and then escaped percent sign. Go to double escape. No, cancel. Wrong window. Okay, so it's actually percent. That's an escaped percent. Which I guess makes sense. Alright, so if I go to enter storage, player.send status message, new trend, wait, I18n dot new translated text component. I can do it straight there. Okay, cool. Screen. What is it called? T.energy, T.get max energy, percent true. All right. Almost there. Let me pull up the data generator and run it real fast, just so I can update the language file I have here. I'm just going to manually copy paste this in here. And then I'm going to run a build real quick. Off screen, of course, because I can. Hello? I don't even know if I'm here anymore. My computer literally straight up died. That was fun. Let's see. Did I lose the session? No, I didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna need a second to actually get things back open again. That was extremely weird timing. I hope that didn't corrupt anything. I've It wasn't even a blue screen. It was straight up just a die. All right. Well, let's pull Minecraft back up. Yay for disconnection protection. Okay. Please work. All right. So, turns out it's repeatable. Um, I need to figure out what is causing this. Unfortunately, that does mean I need to in stream because this is gonna take a while. Yeah. Oh, I just saw your message. Hi, how are you? Java is very fun to play with. Well, I'm going to end stream here because it's been longer than my average stream, and I keep crashing my computer, which doesn't make for great content. So, I guess this is once I figure it out, I will probably clean up the code and push it out to the internet. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.